Joining us tonight is the bride.
What?
Bet you didn't see that coming. Honestly, neither did I.
You're so vain.
Moving on to next week's show is Snowstorm.
And who would have guessed that I would be your new queen? Powerful, regal, and dealing with a little bit of dandruff. I know defending my throne is going to be tough. My next challengers can't all be male comedians in their 60s. But if they want my crown,
Speed dating banner, maybe a bachelorette?
they're gonna have to pry it out of my frost-bitten fingers. So, by royal order, let me leave you with a clue that's good for you.
Ooh, a house. Could be a housewife.
Are you getting warmer? I hope not.